Crystal prawn balls recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams fresh prawns peeled and deveined, 1 egg white, 2 tbsp cornstarch, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp white pepper, 2 cups oil for frying. Optional garnish: spring onions or sesame seeds. Batter: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1 tsp baking powder, 1/2 cup cold water. Dipping sauce optional: 2 tbsp soy sauce, 1 tbsp rice vinegar, 1 tsp sugar, 1/2 tsp chili oil. Instructions: Step 1. Prepare the prawns. 1. Rinse the peeled prawns under cold water and pat them dry with a paper towel. 2. Chop the prawns finely or process them into a chunky paste in a food processor. Step 2. Season the prawns. 1. Place the processed prawns in a bowl. 2. Add egg white, cornstarch, sesame oil, salt, and white pepper. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth texture. 3. Cover the mixture and refrigerate for 30 minutes to let the flavors meld. Step 3. Make the batter. 1. In a separate bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. 2. Gradually whisk in cold water until you have a smooth, slightly thick batter. Step 4. Shape the prawn balls. 1. Using slightly wet hands, scoop about a tablespoon of the prawn mixture and shape it into a ball. Repeat until all the mixture is used. 2. Coat each ball in the prepared batter evenly. Step 5. Fry the prawn balls. 1. Heat the oil in a deep pan or wok over medium-high. Heat until it reaches 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Carefully drop the battered prawn balls into the oil, a few at a time, to avoid overcrowding. 3. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until they puff up and turn golden brown. 4. Remove and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Step 6. Prepare the dipping sauce. 1. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, and chili oil until the sugar dissolves. Step 7. Serve. 1. Arrange the crispy prawn balls on a serving plate around a bowl of dipping sauce. 2. Garnish with chopped spring onions or sesame seeds if desired. Enjoy your homemade crystal prawn balls fresh and warm. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.